Hello, today we are going to learn how to draw two tangent lines of a given circle from a given point P, as can be seen here on the screen. So the first step, we will join the center of the given circle with the given point P with a line, as can be seen here. And to continue, we're going to work out the perpendicular bisector of this line segment OP. And to do this, we set our compass to slightly longer than half the length, and we'll scribe an arc, as can be seen here. And now with the same radius and set on the point P, we're going to scribe another arc to the left, which intersects our previously drawn arc at 2 points, as can be seen here. And now, joining these 2 points with a line, we will get the midpoint of the line segment OP, which we will call M. So joining the two intersections, we will get the midpoint M of the line segment OP. And now the next step, with our compass, setting it on the midpoint M and with the radius MO, we're going to draw a circle. As can be seen here. And where this circle intersects our previously drawn circle, these will be our two tangent points, T1 and T2. So now we're going to join the center of the given circle O to tangent point 1. And as can be seen here, this will form a 90-degree angle to the tangent line that we want to draw. So to draw our first tangent line, we join point B through tangent point 1, and we'll elongate it a little bit to show this is our first tangent line that we are looking for. And now we're going to repeat this process to get our second tangent line. So again, with the ruler, we're going to join the center of the given circle O to tangent point 2 with a line. And again, this line will be 90 degrees to the second tangent line that we want to draw. And finally, to complete the drawing with a thicker line, we're going to join point P through tangent point 2 and elongate it a little bit. This is our second tangential line. Okay, so I hope this video has helped you. Please press like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until the next time, thank you very much.